Hey, sorry about that, folks. Law-abiding Minnesotan with Minnesota Press back at you. The live got interrupted. Some doofus called my freaking phone. And just so you guys know, even if you decline a call while you're live, uh, it's gonna knock you off your live, at least the picture. Hopefully we get all those folks back. I'm gonna wait a second for everybody to get back in here. Wait a second. So we were at the Crow Wing County Judicial Center. We're trying to file this court paperwork, and we're documenting our experience, and the sheriff's deputy won't let us do it. And we're like, why not? And they're like, well, we got this Crow Wing County District Court policy. I said, who's the county official that signed off on that Crow Wing County District Court policy? And actually it should read Crow Wing County policy for the Crow Wing County Judicial Center. Doesn't say that. It's like they're trying to make themselves a part of the judicial branch of government. You know, the county has no judicial officers. Only the district has judicial officers. So the district, they can make policy for their courtroom, and that's debatable whether or not they can even do that. But whether or not they can even do that is debatable. Hey Pinky, thanks for rejoining. I gotta smoke something terrible. Nicking out, working with these guys. I'm actually not working with them. They're trying to make what they're doing transparent. So Captain Adam Cronstead, Deputy Lubers sent me over to talk to the sheriff about it. And so I went over to talk to the sheriff about it, and Captain Adam Cronstead said that Sergeant Chad Paulson, who's like two people below him, you know, you got Sergeant Chad Paulson, and then you got Lieutenant Katzenberger above that. Drive you to drink or smoke for sure this time. And hey, what's up, buddy? You don't want to be on TV, do you? No. Oh, I'm challenging this county policy. No recording in the building.
Yeah.
There's a county policy and a district court policy.
Right.
And the county is trying to piggyback off the district court's authority and extend their authority to include the entire building when it simply doesn't.
Right.
And so I busted them, and they're scrambling.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well,
yeah.
keeping you busy, huh?
I wasn't even here for that. I was trying to file some paperwork with the administrator. I just wanted to document myself doing it. You know what I mean? And how about you? You're looking great, dude.
Yeah. No. Yeah. Well, it was that great counseling I received.
Oh yeah. Thanks, buddy. I don't know why you don't want to be on camera. You're looking great, buddy. Good to see you.
You too.
Mm-hmm. And so, just gonna take a couple more puffs of this cigarette and let some people rejoin. I had about 10 of y'all in the first one, so we got just about half that back already. We're gonna get going in here again as soon as I get a couple drags off this cigarette. These guys really stress me out. I mean, so they're saying, well, you could record in there, and we're not going to arrest you right now, but we're going to follow you around with our body cam and send it up to the district attorney and see if he's going to press charges. All right, that's good. Here we go. Here we go. Hey, ladies.
Yep.
I'm just wondering, since you said if I did go through here, you wouldn't arrest me right away, you just follow me around with the body cam and send it to the county attorney, correct? Okay, can I talk to the county attorney first of all then? Because I want to see if he actually would file charges just for me documenting that.
So you are more than welcome to call the county attorney's office to see if you can speak with Don Ryan.
Okay.
Or you can leave your cell phone here, you can leave it recording, you can go upstairs and talk to him, but
Shoot. Calling Don Ryan. Anybody want to call Don Ryan and ask him if he's about to press charges against
have a good day.
Minnesota Press? That's going to take way too long.
The charges wouldn't be against your organization, against you for bringing.
Yeah, I know. I don't understand, but I know. You know what I mean? I just need to know if Don Ryan is going to press charges. I'd like to ask him if he's going to press charges. Because what you guys are saying is I'm about to commit a crime here. That's the only reason you would press criminal charges is if someone committed a crime. So if you guys following me around with your body cam and sending it to the county attorney means you suspect me of criminal activity. What crime do you?
You would be violating a court order.
A court order.
Yes, so the policy is signed by the judge, by all the judges. So that's what you will be charged with.
Is violating a court order?
Yes.
What is that? Contempt of court?
Obstruction, yes,
Contempt of court. So you suspect me of contempt of court
yes,
and obstruction.
yes.
Okay. So why wouldn't you arrest me for that right away then? If that's what you.
You can hold on to it.
I'm sweating my balls off here, guys. So, Deputy Lubers, why wouldn't you arrest me right away? Why wouldn't you arrest me right away? Or Crowley, I believe you said you'd follow me around with the body cam if I walked in here with the camera. Why wouldn't you arrest me right away for that if you
That's what we've been instructed to by our administration.
you wouldn't arrest me right away because you wouldn't be sure if there was a crime. Actually, there wouldn't be because there's no.
You would be held in contempt of court. We could arrest you. We could physically take you to jail.
Okay.
We have been instructed that we can follow you around with our body cam rolling of you recording.
Uh-huh.
And we would just long form charges with the county attorney.
Long form charges later. Okay. And who told you that?
Sergeant Chad Paulson.
Sergeant Chad Paulson.
Yeah.
Okay.
And Captain Cronstead.
And Captain Cronstead. He told you that, huh? Really? I just got done talking to Captain Adam Cronstead, and he didn't tell you that.
Did you ask him?
I asked him where Chad Paulson got the information, and he said he didn't know.
You asked him where Chad Paulson got the information for that policy.
Yes.
You didn't ask him specifically how we were supposed to execute if you were to violate that.
Right, right.
So that's what you.
He dumped
You didn't ask the right question is what I'm saying.
He dumped this off on Chad Paulson when he's like 2 levels. I won't get you on camera, dude. Security's this way.
He's an officer.
He's an officer?
He works for the Bureau of Criminal Apprehension.
Oh. Okay. He didn't want nothing to do with it. He sent me back over here to talk to Don Ryan and what's her name? Dana Anderson with the court administrator. That's what he told me to do.
You're more than welcome to go ask all the questions.
Yeah, but not with the phone, otherwise I might get arrested. And I just,
What's your end goal here?
my end goal is to document myself filing this paperwork that I've been trying to file for the last, what time is it now? I don't know,
13 has been just over an hour.
like an hour. I've been trying to file 2 sheets of paper and document myself doing it without getting arrested, which I didn't think would be that difficult.
So, like I said, I presented you with multiple different options.
Uh-huh.
You can leave your phone here recording. You can come pick it up when you're done.
I don't know, what do you guys think? But you won't arrest me now. You'll just follow me around with the body cam.
If you do not bring your cell phone past this point,
Yeah.
you will not be getting any charges. You will not be under arrest.
Right,
If
but
you leave your cell phone there recording, that is up to you. We can't take responsibility for it. The county cannot take responsibility.
that's the problem.
Okay.
You're requiring me to do that, and you're not, but yet still arresting me for not doing that,
I'm trying to help you file your paperwork and
Yeah.
get your end goal here.
right?
So I don't know what your next.
Well, my
step
other
is.
goal is to challenge this policy.
Okay, and I understand that.
I got two goals. I'm a man with goals. I am an ambitious feller.
Yep, and we're trying to help you, but you gotta meet us halfway.
Okay, so first of all, since we're encountering this problem first, where do I go about charging this, challenging this policy? Because I already went over to the sheriff's office like you told me to, and Cronstead sent me back over here to talk to Don Ryan and or the court administrator, Dana Anderson. And so here I am coming to try to talk to them to challenge this policy, to challenge this county policy, not the 9th Judicial District policy, the county policy. I'm trying to challenge county policy. So I'd have to talk to some kind of county official that gave the authority. And then, so you're saying there's a different authority that signed off on this policy as there is who told you to arrest people?
So if you're looking for someone to speak to about that, you already talked to our admin, you can talk to Dana Anderson, who's the county administrator, you can talk to Don Ryan.
Okay. And who told you to arrest people for it? Adam Cronstead and Chad Paulson?
So we have been instructed that we can follow people around and charge them, okay?
Yep. Under suspicion of contempt of court and obstruction.
Yeah, good job.
Okay, so you have reasonable articulable suspicion to believe if I brought my phone through there that I would be in contempt of court, which only covers the courtrooms, the judicial order does, and I would also be obstructing, which, what if I had a secret camera? Would there be a problem? Could I bring a secret camera in, like if I had a pair of glasses like yours and I had a little pinhole in there recording? Is that, could we do that? Just as,
That's also not legal.
that's not legal?
No, you cannot do that.
What would be the charges for that?
Same thing.
Same thing? How would you know who to charge?
If you're walking in with something on your person, it would be you that the charges would be pressed against.
Yeah, but you wouldn't even know they have it. So how are you supposed to charge someone
Well,
if you...
now we're asking hypothetical questions. Are you gonna talk to Dana, are you gonna go talk to Dana and do all that today? So we can help you do that?
Well, if she's the one that, I want to get this policy ripped off your window. And so how do I go about doing that?
Captain Cronstead gave you the two people to talk to about that.
Don Ryan,
Don Ryan and Dana Anderson. Dana is here today. I do not know about Don Ryan.
can I talk to Dana Anderson, please?
What you do from this point on is up to you.
Okay.
So you either need to put the cell phone in your vehicle, you can leave it there recording.
Will Dana Anderson come down and talk to me?
That is up to Dana Anderson. You can go ask her or you can call her.
You are baffling them with common sense and they don't know what to do. My viewers said that you're baffling them with common sense and they don't know what to do.
I'm baffling them with common sense?
I'm baffling you with common sense.
I'm
Yeah.
not speaking to your viewers, I'm speaking to you.
Yeah,
because
yeah.
This is you doing it.
Yeah.
right?
Mm-hmm.
So,
Do you know this has caused a whole lot more disruption to my business than, I mean, you want to talk about disrupting business. Those are manner restrictions. You can't disrupt business like this.
ma'am, you're good, you can go through.
Here, I'll turn the camera away. No, you're good.
So that'll be in this building, we'll direct you after this interview.
We got Sarge.
Oh, yep. Yeah, yep, you're good. Can you go through that or can you go around?
I'll let you know.
Oh,
I actually,
Is this a sergeant?
no.
It's not a sergeant? Oh.
So the number for court administration is posted under where it's a cell policy, you can call and see if they will come meet you out here. Or you
The,
can go in.
what, say what now? There's a place you can call?
There's the numbers right under for court administration where it says cell phone policy on that paper.
Well, will you call her for me? You work for the county, right? I need the help from another county employee. Will you-
You can call and ask her questions.
Oh, I'll ask her the questions. I just need you to call her to ask her to come down
You are
here.
more than welcome to go into court administration. Talk to her.
And not document the conversation. So whatever she says happened in that conversation is whatever she says and I won't have any.
Ask her if she's willing to come and talk to you in front of your cellular device outside here, but that is up to her.
can't give permission?
No.
Can you tell her that someone needs her assistance down here?
You are more than welcome to go and talk.
Well, you're a county employee. You're county employees that can't help me, but there's other county employees that might be able to help me, and I'm asking for their assistance. Would you call them for me?
You need to ask her questions.
I will ask her the questions.
Yes, you need to.
I just
either
need
go and
help.
ask her, or you can call her administration.
But up there, the problem I'm having is here. This place is the problem I'm having. You know what I mean? I'm probably having a problem in this place.
Yep, I
And-
understand.
So I mean, if you were to just go in there and say, hey, can I like speak to Dana Anderson? She says hi. If you say, hey, can I speak to you outside so we can document this conversation?
Yeah.
And she says yes.
Yeah.
That's simple.
Yeah.
That's a simple solution, but that's something that you have to do, okay?
Right, and that would disrupt my stream. So,
You can leave it on the ledge. We're not saying you have to turn it off or anything like that. You can leave it on the ledge and go do that quick and not ask any official questions about your documentation.
You
That's
guys-
a solution to your
you
problem.
guys seem to be nice ladies, but I am not leaving all of this personal information that I have, all of this digital information, anywhere near you people. Well, unattended. In my vehicle. Well, then we're back to it doesn't get documented. The conversation doesn't get documented, and nobody gets any answers. And what you guys doing aren't transparent, and nobody here is being held accountable. We're back to that again.
So I'm not sure how much we can help you anymore further than that.
Right. You're just gonna record if I bring my phone in here and refer it to the county attorney for charges.
Yes.
That's what you're gonna do. And who told you to do that? Chad
I
Paulson.
told you multiple times, so it's told us that, yes.
Chad Paulson and Adam Cronstead? Okay, I gotta go talk to Adam Cronstead again. I'll be back. What time is it?
221.
Thank you. Let's go back and talk to Cronstead. Oh, Cronstead lead. Little Cronstead. You ordered these people to arrest me? Not arrest me. What, long form charges? Policy, you're right. Somebody on the earlier stream said that policy is not law, and you're absolutely right. It's not. Policy is not law. Policy is not law. I actually did ask this question of Cronstead. I actually asked it of him. I actually asked it. I'd like to talk to Lion Adam Cronstead again, please.
Yep, one second.
Thank you.
Okay.
Actually, Cronstead's supervisor.
That would be.
Somebody will be out.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Those higher ups are gonna get poor lubers in trouble. Adam, you're gonna get lubers in a lot of trouble. She said that you gave the order to follow people around that bring their camera into that building and suggest to the county attorney that he presses charges and follow them around with their body cam and suggest that they press charges. And if they don't have reasonable articulable suspicion of any criminal activity, they're going to be in big trouble. That's a security issue. And so did you give them the order?
I was waiting for the question.
Did you give them the order to follow anybody with a cell phone around with the body cam in the building and send it over to the county attorney for charges?
Did I give them the order to follow them around? Specifically, no. What I did probably say was we can submit a report
Yep.
to the county attorney's office
Yep.
as opposed to physically taking someone into custody.
Right. And that's what she said.
Okay.
She said that you instructed her, you and Paulson instructed her to, if somebody comes in with a cell phone, follow them around.
So as
With the-
evidence, we would have
as evidence, with the-
you doing that.
Yep, and then you,
violating what you have in your hand.
right, and then that's not a law.
So the Constitution of the state of Minnesota allows for the judge, for the district court to enact that.
In the courtroom.
No, right here.
Let's see.
So I just printed off a page
Okay.
of the Constitution of the state of Minnesota.
Uh-huh.
This is under Article 6,
Uh-huh.
Rule number 4.
Okay.
Except as set forth in this rule, no visual or audio recording, except the recording made as official court record, shall be taken in any courtroom.
Any courtroom.
Whether,
It's not a courtroom I'm going into.
there's more.
Okay.
There's more,
Let's
man.
hear it. Let's hear
There's
it.
a comma. Okay, whether in person or using remote technology, area of a courthouse where courtrooms are located, or other area designated by order of the chief judge made available in the office of the court administrator in the county.
Okay.
That is that.
That's that.
Yep.
So what's that other one? What's the other order?
What other?
The judicial district order. I'll take this as good information. That's good information.
That's all accessible to you.
So
by you.
Luber said I asked the wrong question, but I think I asked the correct question. You just dodged it. Did you order Luber's and or Crowley, if somebody takes a phone in there, to follow them around with the body cam to collect evidence for potential criminal prosecution and send it over to the county
I
attorney?
don't know that was an order. It was a suggestion. Officers have discretion. They can physically detain you, or they can submit a long form charge
Did you
for the
sug-
county attorney's office to decide whether they not they want to pursue.
Did you
charges.
suggest the latter?
Did I suggest the latter?
Yes.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Yeah.
So,
They could do. They have discretion,
okay.
as any officer does.
Okay. Here's I asked her. I said, "Who gave you the orders to follow people around with your body cam and send it over to the county attorney if somebody walks through there with their phone?" And she said, "You and Paulson did."
Okay.
And so I'm wondering under what authority you gave them that order, or what authority you gave them that order? Yeah.
The sheriff.
Well, what law would you recommend they file charges for?
Obstructing legal process.
Obstructing the legal process. They said also contempt. And
If the court deems that as contempt, it's
if-
not up to me to decide.
right, but
You understand that?
it when
Court or the court administrator,
The-
the county attorney's
the
office.
judge, so the county attorney can't even bring it up for
So right.
for
So there's your answer to
contempt.
the question.
So contempt is out of the question. They're talking contempt, and it's out of the question. You
So
don't
that
have
is
to-
what they're suggesting.
Okay.
This isn't me to decide the charges,
right.
right?
Right, but it seems like you do in every other situation.
Okay.
Somebody,
How else can I help you, Matt? Because I've answered all the questions you have.
I'm wondering,
I'm not gonna let you steer me into saying something that,
right, but who told you that it was lawful and within their authority to follow them around with a body cam and send the information to the county attorney.
Probably nobody told me that.
Nobody told you that.
I'm going off of the county attorney's office and the court administrator's office. They want us to enforce this policy using the tools that we have,
Okay?
okay? So if we don't, because we're.
It's not
we're
a law,
going to-
it's not a law you're
I-
enforcing, it's a policy.
Correct. Made possible by the Minnesota Constitution.
Except as,
Constitution of the state of Minnesota.
except as set forth in this rule.
Okay, is there anything else,
official.
Matt?
Um,
Because I've answered everything that you've asked me.
yes, I would just, like to know, so you,
This just
told
gives them the
your-
ability to draft this.
that gives them the ability to draft
That's
that.
my understanding as a
What gives them the
layperson.
ability to arrest people for it?
They don't arrest, the sheriff's office enforces this, and if people are not following what we direct, they can be arrested for contempt if that's what they suggest, or obstructing the legal process. I'm sorry.
You get really aggressive a
I know,
lot.
I talk with my hands. man.
Yeah, yeah, you
I
get
apologize,
really
I
close.
remember the last time it
Yeah,
makes you
yeah,
nervous.
it does.
I talk with my hands, I
Yeah,
can
it
put them
does.
in my pockets,
Because
but I
you've
don't
seen,
like this.
you've seen a lot of videos where people come up on individuals like that and bam, they end up on the
Yeah.
ground with their neck snapped.
Sure, Matt, that's not me.
Yeah.
And I apologize, I should have remembered,
Yeah, yeah,
but this is how I
right,
talk.
right. They told me, go ahead and talk to Dana Anderson. I said, okay, and I went to bring my phone up there to
Probably
talk
need
to
to make
Dana
an
Anderson.
appointment with her.
And so the stream has to be disconnected. There's
Yeah.
no answers for the public on this because
I get it.
you guys are putting me in
So
a
is there anything I
situation
can help you with?
where I
'Cause I
have to
can't
end
help
up
you with
held in the
that.
stream.
I can't help you with
Help me file these 2 papers. It's 2 sheets of paper. I've been trying to file them for an hour and a half. Help me do that and document the process. That's what I'm asking your help for. They suggested put your phone down here or put it out in your car
Yeah.
and we'll follow you around with the body cam and you can request that data. I'm like, that's a hell of a lot of resources, state resources, just to get.
Right.
I'm like, what's the difference if there's just one more camera in there?
I don't know.
Who cares? There's tons of
Well,
cameras in
obviously
there.
they care. So-
Who's they?
The people the court.
The court,
Yeah, the judges,
but who with the county cares?
the county attorney's office is helping that policy.
So the
and we're
county-
just enforcing.
So that you don't care, but the county attorney does, and so the county
Matt, we're
attorney.
just here to keep the peace, right?
Yes,
Sheriff's office.
yes, yes,
That's all we're trying to do.
yeah.
Okay.
The only protection we need is to protect our constitutional rights.
Yep.
That's the only protection we
The
ask
US
from you.
Constitution allows the court
Yeah.
to, and again, I apologize. I'll step
Yeah,
back. I
yeah.
don't want you to feel threatened by me talking with my
The
hands.
Constitution allows the court, but not the county. It says the court can do it, not the county, the court. Except recording as official shall be taken up whether chief judge made available. Office of the court administrator in the county.
Okay.
Office of the court administrator. Made, the chief.
All right, anything else I
Other
can help
areas.
you with, Matt? All your
Yes,
answers are
yes.
right there.
Nope, the county didn't sign off on their own policy. Yeah,
I'm just a cop.
right, right.
That's all I
And
am.
you're leading your deputies
Correct,
to
because we're
believe.
I don't want
You're leading your deputies to believe that they have the authority to make an arrest when there's absolutely no reasonable articulable suspicion of any criminal activity
please take it up with the court administrator.
with the court administrator.
Or the sheriff of Crow County.
I went to, but they said they were gonna arrest me or follow me around with the body cam and send the county attorney for charges if I did that.
Make an appointment with Dana Anderson and or the sheriff and or.
If I had a secret camera and hidden in my glasses that nobody could see, could I do that?
I'm not gonna answer that question.
No.
Do what I'm suggesting that you make an appointment with Dana Anderson, Sheriff Eric Klein.
I have the
and
stuff.
Don Ryan.
I have the stuff to file.
They'll have your answers.
I have the stuff to file.
I've answered everything I can for you. The Minnesota Constitution gives them the ability to have that.
The court, not the county.
Okay, so I can't distinguish that for you.
You're
That's-
putting
that's-
you're putting them in some serious hot water.
Okay, the sheriff of Crow County.
Yeah. Klang, is he around? How about
He's
Brad?
actually in a meeting. He's here.
Is
but
he?
He's in a meeting right now.
You know anything about? Man. You folks see what's happening. I got to get these papers filed. I give up every time. I give up every time. This gives the court the authority to do that.
Do you need me?
It's the court. The Constitution, or
Do you need me for anything else?
the state of Minnesota
I'm gonna
Supreme
step back
Court.
in my office 'cause I got other things I gotta do.
They have authority over the court. Not over the county. Not over the county. No visual, let's read this. No visual or audio recordings. Oops. No visual or audio recordings except the recording made as the official court record shall be taken in any courtroom, whether in person or using remote technology. Area of a courthouse. Uh-oh. Low battery, guys. Low. Oh, missed the last 5 minutes. Oh man, you missed the good part. Shit. My battery's getting low. Except as set forth in this rule, Captain Adam Cronstead got really aggressive with me again. Maybe you saw it, but I don't know what happened there. My battery's getting low, guys. My battery's getting low. I think I'm gonna have to bail on this right now. This sucks. So, no recordings shall be taken in a courtroom. Area of a courthouse where courtrooms are located, which is nowhere near security. Other areas designed by order of the chief judge made available in the office of the court administrator in the county. Orders by the or other area designated by order of the chief judge. Okay, so the chief judge can make. Jeez, good thing I didn't try this, guys, because I'm not 100% sure yet. Good thing I didn't see. And old Ed, you guys remember Ed? Old Ed said that my lawsuits are frivolous. When my first two lawsuits, they settled with me so that my complaint did not get seen in open court. They didn't want that, so they settled. And then I got one that I just filed that I'm attempting to file paperwork with right now, and they stopped me from documenting it because of I don't know why they need a 9th Judicial District order and a county order that says the same thing. I don't know why they need that. It says the same thing. We're heading back in here. No, actually, I think that's enough, guys. I'm freaking hungry, man. I fought enough. I need somebody else to help me do this. Sucks to do by myself. One more smoke. I came back out and my automobile was unlocked. I don't know how the heck that happened, but I need one more smoke and then I'm gonna go back in here. I think I'm gonna shut the live off, guys. I'm gonna have to. There's no way I'm gonna be able to make it in that building. There's no way. They skewed the separation of powers here. They skewed. He would be subject to contempt of court. They skewed the separation of powers here. They're giving judicial officers executive powers, and they're giving executive branch officers judicial powers here. This is not right, guys. This is not right. Oop. It's not right, folks. I'm gonna keep. What's up, Ralphie? How's it going, buddy? Thanks for joining us. This ain't right. I've been in a standoff with these guys for about an hour and a half. Sob sit. I don't know what a sob sit is. How do you sign up to become one? I have no idea what a sovereign citizen is. I do know there's some people that appear to be sovereign that will whip shitties through ditches, stomp it down to 120 miles an hour, nearly sideswiping automobiles on the other side. and light you up when there's no emergency or crime committed and shake you down for money. I know with a gun under color of law, I know there's those kinds of citizens. They appear to be pretty sovereign. I don't know anything about a sovereign citizen. I don't know what a sovereign citizen is at all, or how to sign up to become one or anything like that. I heard the FBI made them a domestic terrorist organization. The problem is there's no organization. It's like trying to lump. I don't know. I'll stop there because that's getting political. I'm just trying to get this paperwork filed and document myself doing it. Should we give it one more shot? I don't think they're gonna give. I think what'll happen is they've kind of put me in a corner here. I think they probably know that I'm not 100% sure. And I came in here not for that. I came in here to file some court paperwork for my 1A speech right claim. So that's a speech right claim. This is like a security / press rights / some other stuff is going on here. Message deleted. Thanks, Pinky. It has to be bad. If Pinky deleted your comment, he knows how I am about free speech. If he deleted your comment, that means it was malicious. Thanks, Pinky. I didn't read the comment, but I don't have to. If they want to share their opinion on me, go ahead. But if it's malicious, just do what Pinky did, moderators. Get them out of here with malicious. Only if it's malicious. If it's just that you don't think I'll like it or something, or consult. I don't use attorneys. I don't depend on attorneys whatsoever. Everything I do is done pro se. No way. I'm not trusting an attorney. They lie. Their loyalty is, you don't know where their loyalties lie. No way am I trusting a slime ball attorney. I'll do this myself. Thank you. I know how to fill out a frickin' form. Protect the rights of others should be, Ralphie. Thanks for helping with that, by the way. I think I'm gonna go ahead and we'll try and go in there one more time. We'll try one more time. By order of the chief judge. Visual and audio coverage for recording. For purposes of this rule, a hearing held remotely using video is not considered live streaming. This rule may be superseded by specific rules in the Minnesota Supreme Court relating to use of cameras in a courtroom. So these are just rules. Statute doesn't say anything about this. These are like judicial rules or something. Wrong, Rusty. Let's go try. You know what? I'm gonna get this paperwork filed. I'm gonna get this. He's literally holding the justification. Read the long run-on sentence. Long run-on sentence. In this, except as set forth in this rule, no visio. Since you are at the courthouse, can you ask the deputies where jurors and victims enter the building, please? I wouldn't be able to record it, Bruce. They're not letting me. Let them follow you. Rusty thinks I should just walk right in the freaking door with this camera and let them follow me and maybe press charges against me. I'm not gonna do it, guys. I'm gonna fold this time. I pushed it a little farther than I have before. I hope you guys can appreciate that. I'll go ahead and fold her up. I'm gonna set this stuff in my automobile here. I'm gonna fold this. I'm gonna fold. 4PS would negotiate with you, BJ. 4PS would negotiate. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and fold, guys, because I'm not 100% sure. like this speech right claim, this 1A speech rights claim, I'm sure. That's why I filed it, because I'm sure. I don't file claims that I'm not sure. Ed Vinson accused me of filing frivolous lawsuits. He's not the only one. There's a lot of bootlickers that accused me of filing frivolous lawsuits. I don't file frivolous lawsuits. I only file the ones I know I can win, because I know what I'm talking about. So of course I'm not going to file a lawsuit for 1A press rights being deprived here, or security rights or anything like that, because I'm not 100% sure. I'm just going in to file this paperwork for the 1A speech rights claim. I'm going to go ahead. You've never won a lawsuit. Oh, that's right. They settled before it got into open court and they were exposed. I'm sorry, Hank. You're right. So 2 lawsuits where they settled so that the complaint didn't end up in court and everybody could see it. Hank corrected me on that one. And one that's pending here. So you guys have a good one. I'm gonna head out. I think I'm at a stalemate here. Sorry guys, I can't get any farther than that today. Law-abiding Minnesotan with Minnesota Press coming at you from the Crow Wing County Judicial Center and the Crow Wing County Sheriff's Office on August 15th, 2024. Time, I don't know, it's got to be getting up around a very low quality troll today. Thanks for handling that, Pinky. Appreciate you moderating. I'm gonna give it up, guys. I'm gonna go get this paperwork filed and go get some lunch. Settlement for no money is a win. Whatever, Hank. You're an idiot. All right. Thanks, guys. I'm out.